Do you know why most students can't speak English fluently even after studying grammar for years? Because they always translate Hindi to English in their mind, and that habit destroys confidence and fluency. So today is day 3 of our 30 days English fluency challenge. And today we will learn the secret habit of fluent English speakers. Think in English. If you master these habits, your speaking confidence will improve much faster. Hello everyone, I am Nigam from Bihar. I am an English literature student and English teacher, and I am also improving my English every single day just like you. On this channel, we learn English in a simple, practical, and confidence building way. So, welcome to day 3 of our Gen Z English Fluency Challenge. Why? Why thinking in English is important? First, understand this. Fluent speakers do not translate every sentence. They think directly in English. For example, instead of thinking मुझे पानी चाहिए, then translate. Train your brain to think directly. I need water. I need pen. I need notebook. I need money. These small habits can completely improve your fluency. You just think whatever you see, what you want to tell, what you need. You just think and tell in English, not Hindi, and don't translate. That is actually work, and this is very important for everyone. Biggest problem students face like this. Many students know grammar. Many students know vocabulary. But when it's time to speak, their mind becomes blank. Why? Because their brain is busy translating. Translations make speaking slow and stressful. Thinking in English makes speaking natural and confident. So don't do that. Okay? Only focus in think in English. Today is day 3, and day 3 challenge rules is rule number 1. Think simple thoughts in English. Just like I am feeling sleepy. I am eating food. I am eating food. I need to study. I need to study. Rule number 2. Describe your surrounding in English. This is gather. This is bangle. This is paper. This is a card. I'm standing here. I'm in my room. The weather is hot. I'm sitting in my room. My phone is on the hand. Rule number 3. Talk to yourself in English for 5 minutes daily. Don't worry about mistake. Just speak. You can see I'm standing here. You stand in front of mirror and say, "Hi, I'm Nigam. I'm good. Today is my best day, and today I'm going to my college for exams. And I feel nervous. I have no preparations for exams, but I can do my best. You can practice like this. Daily speaking practice. Now repeat after me loudly. I can improve my English. I can improve my English. I'm practicing daily. I am practicing daily. Mistakes help me learn.